Hello guys, welcome to another video with me. This is Ali, your AI automation expert. If you are working with ChatGPT image generation or if you are a team member of a marketing agency, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can save time and save money generating high quality images with ChatGPT without going inside the ChatGPT app and start typing manually everything inside the chat and waiting for so many hours or so many minutes to generate those pictures for you. Using this automation will save you time and also save money. Surprisingly, generating images with this automation with their API is super fast. I don't know why this is like that, but to be honest, it generates pictures quicker than using the app. So if you are interested in learning this without killing the time, let's jump in. Here we're gonna start this workflow by submitting a form. Here we are using a submission form node which is natively pre-built inside n8n. If I click test here, you'll see that now we are listening for information to arrive inside our form, and if you go to this URL or this address, you'll see that here is a form that we can fill all these empty places, and basically we can say how we want our image to be created. So here it says that generate high quality ad creatives, and it says please provide the information needed. So here we have a field says what is the product or service that we want to advertise for, and who is our target audience, and what is the main point or benefit of our product or service, and what kind of visual do we prefer. Is it realistic? Is it Ghibli or another style? I will show you later how many styles we have. And here we have a drop down menu where it says that I want the product to appear in the image or I don't want it. And here we have another optional field. It says that text overlay, basically if we want to have any text over on our image. So let's go quickly back to our n8n. Once we submit the form, our AI agent will receive the data, those information that we put inside the form. Then our AI agent will start using the brain, using ChatGPT 4.1 chat model, a very high detailed image prompt based on the information we provided on our form. And then we will send those data to OpenAI using their API. And then we will generate the picture and we will get it back inside n8n. And here I'm using Gmail node where I can send the picture to my inbox in Gmail, but you can use another thing, and basically you can send it wherever you want. So let's just show you an example. Here before the video I was testing it, and I was able to just briefly explain what picture or what image I need as an ad. And and it came up with this image. This is I think this is a very high quality and good image to be used as an ad creative. And just remember, I wasn't very specific about this image. I was only said that I need an image of a beauty product, and the benefit for that product is actually to hydrate the skin. And this was the image that it created for me. But obviously, if I give more details and more information on the image that I want, it can create a higher quality than this image. Okay, so let's go back and run another example, and I'll show you how this workflow exactly works. So here we are submitting a form. If I click here and if I click on test, now we are listening for information. And if we go to our form submission here, let's say that we want to make an advertising for a product which let's say it is sneakers or a pair of shoes. Yeah, here our target audience will be, for example, males with, okay, let's actually change this, and I'm gonna say old money shoes. So just imagine that we want to make an image for advertising our product, which is a very high classic old money shoes. Okay, so this is our product, and our target audience will be males with, we can say males who want to transform their outfit look. Okay, this is our target audience. And what is the main selling point or benefit? So the main point or the benefit will be, what can be, look stylish, just for demonstration. And what kind of visual do we prefer? For this one, I prefer the realistic. But if you go to the OpenAI articles, you can see that we can generate memes like this. We can have photorealistic like this, and also this kind of images we can also generate. It is actually based on the prompts that we give to OpenAI. Here we also can have this kind of style where you change the style of the picture. And here also we again have this Ghibli style, which is very popular now. And also we have so many styles. Based on these things we can actually change our style. So here I'm just going to say realistic, or we can say photorealistic. Let's say photorealistic. And it says that, do you want the product to appear in the image? Let's say that we want our product to appear on the image, but we don't know but we are not actually giving the context of the product to OpenAI. It will generate something based on the information we are giving. Let's say what happens, let's say what it will generate us. And we can have a text overlay option. Here we can say change your style with our what we can say with our what? Change your style with our, we can say with our shoes. Okay, great. So let's check again here. I'm gonna click test. So it is listening for the submission, and if I click submit, the form is submitted and we received our data inside our n8n. You see that these are the questions, and also these are the answers. So now we received one item, and now we are passing it to our AI agent. So here I have an AI agent. Basically for the source or for the prompt, I'm using define below, because we are passing information from this node here, and here in the prompt or user message, basically I'm saying that this is the product, and I'm dragging these variables from the previous node from form submission and putting in front of this. So for the product, we have exactly the product. For target audience, we are using the target audience. For selling point, we are using this one. For ad style, we are using this one. And for the product image, we also using this variable where we say that I want the product image to appear. So now I need to add this one, which is a text overlay, and I will drag this one and put it here. So for the text overlay, we have the change your style with our shoes. So here is the result. Actually, this is what we are giving to our AI agent. And then we have one system message for our AI agent where we are saying that, hey, this is basically here I'm defining the role for this AI agent. We are saying that you are a talented and imaginative AI image prompt generator. Your role is to convert the user input into vivid, detailed, and structured prompts. Basically, it will we will tell this AI agent what exactly to do with these information that we are giving. So we're gonna hit test step, and now our AI agent is using his brain, which is GPT 4.1, the latest model, which is I think the greatest one so far. And it uses the brain, and it generated an output for us, which is exactly an image prompt. So we can now get this prompt and give it to ChatGPT or OpenAI API and tell that they, based on this text, go and generate a picture for us. So if I change it to a table, you see that it says a photorealistic advertising featuring a pair of luxurious old money men's dress shoes crafted for rich brown leather and displayed prominently in the foreground and polished and blah blah blah. I think this is a very powerful prompt, so I can't wait to show you what will be the outcome. So let's go back to the editor, and the next step is actually we are sending a request via HTTP request to the OpenAI API. You might be asking why we are doing this, because if here we have OpenAI node natively in n8n, But here you see a bunch of actions. We have create an assistant, delete an assistant, we can message an assistant, we can message a model, even we can analyze an image, and also we can generate an image. But if we use this node, so far it is only supporting DALL-E E2 and DALL-E E3, and these are the old ones. We obviously don't want to use these models. That's why they don't have it pre-built inside this node, and therefore we cannot use it. So I'm going to delete this, and we need to use this HTTP request inside our workflow. If you don't know what HTTP requests or how APIs are working, I made a video a few days ago. I'm going to put it somewhere on the top. You can click and watch this. In that video, I teach you how you can understand APIs and how you can read API documentation. And you will understand that if there isn't any node inside n8n as a pre-built node, how you can use HTTP request and actually access any application or any services outside n8n, and make the request and do some information processing there, and then get the data back to our n8n. So here we are using HTTP request. If I open it, you see that we are using a post method, and this is the address or URL that we are sending data to OpenAI. Here we have some fields that we need to configure with sending the request to OpenAI. I'm not gonna dive deep into this field because as I told you, I made a video. You can go watch that video. And if you have any questions, just write your questions down in the comment section, and I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. So here we are sending a request. Yeah, this is the address. We are sending our authorization API key, and for the model we are choosing this one, which is GPT image 1. And for the prompt, we are sending the prompt for our AI agent. I just drag it and drop it here. And here we also having the size. We are defining what size we want. I'm using now 1024 by 1024, which is a square one. And if I click test, now this node is executing, and we are sending this prompt with this size to OpenAI API, and we are telling that, hey, please generate an image based on this text for us. And once it is generated, it will send us back some data where in the next step we actually need to convert those data. So yeah, we got the node executed successfully. I think we got the data back. So let's open it here, and if you click on schema, yeah, you see that these are the information that is coming back from OpenAI. This is exactly our picture. This is a bunch of B64 code. Basically this is a code which contains our information as an image. And right now we cannot, this is a very long code. If I open it here, I need to scroll way down to show you all, and my computer might stop at some point. But what we can do that we can convert this B64 code into a binary file to get our image. And we got some information here as input token, how many tokens we use. Actually, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much it costs to generate this picture. So let's go back here. Yeah, we are adding a node, convert to file. If you don't know how to bring this, you can just type convert. You see that here it says convert to file, and basically you can convert anything here, but this one we are using move base 64 string to file. This is the one we are using. And if you open it here, it says that we need to actually input the file here, and this is exactly what I did. So if I remove it, you'll see that we are dragging and dropping this one here, and this is actually the name for the file. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna keep it as it is. As a default, it says data. So if I click test, it will convert these codes into a picture. So let's click it, and we should be seeing our image here. Okay, now you see that we got data. This is our file name, and the file extension is PNG. This is the extension of our file, and this is the size. So if we click view, you will see our beautiful add creative image, which is, I'm impressed. This is very good. Although I don't like the text here, but we can always edit it. But keep in mind that this was under a minute. This generated under a minute for us, and we can now use this in our advertising. So the next step is actually to send a Gmail. I'm using a Gmail note here where I send this picture to my email address. And if I open it, I can show you here that I connected my Gmail account, and the operation is send. We are sending an email. This is my email address that I want to send. And for the subject, I'm saying that your image is ready, and email type is text. And our message, which is a message body here, I'm saying that here is your image, and then I'm putting the name for this, which as a result you can see here it says that here is your image for Old Money Shoes ad creative. And this one is a variable. I took it from the form submission. Here I'm putting from here this one, and at the end I'm saying the ad creative. So as the result it says this sentence. So this is our body. And for the image, I'm using under the option, let me delete this one so I can show you better. So under the option, you can add option and you can add attachments. And here, if you add attachment, so here it says that attachment field name. So if you put the data, which is the name for this here, it will put this image inside that email and it will send it. So let's quickly test this email also, this email node. So if I click, yeah, you see that the email was already sent. Let's go back to our email. This is the last one. I just received your image is ready. Here is the image for Old Money Shoes creative, and this is the image here. If I click, it will open and I will see the image. Obviously, you can send wherever you want. You can send a Telegram message. You can add the file inside your Google Drive. So if you click here and if you write Google Drive, obviously you can configure your Google Drive. You can make a connection to n8n and you can choose upload file, and from here you can upload the image right into your Google Drive. But I'm using Gmail, but feel free to use anything you want here. So now let's show you how much dollar it cost me to generate this high quality image. If we go to API pricing and if we scroll down, you will see that image generation API for the text and for the image we are paying. And for the image we have one input and we have output. So if we come here in our HTTP request, so you see that we have usage, input token, image token, text token, and output token, and total token. Okay, so this is the total token, and we used almost 1190 token. So how much that is exactly? If we go to the pricing, you see that it says that for the output we are paying $40 per 1 million tokens. So let me bring up my calculator and I'll show you the numbers. So this means that $40 divided by 1 million, this means that for each token we are paying this much. Okay, and how much did we spend? We spent 1190. So if we multiply this by 1190, you will see that it almost took 4 cents to generate this image for me. We also have to calculate the input token for the text, but you see this is 134 and this is nothing. Like you see it might be like 000, like something this. Yeah, this is very cheap. For the text it is very cheap. I usually calculate the total token, and usually it stays for me somewhere around 17 cents, under 20. But I don't know, for this picture we were able to generate it at this cost. Maybe because this wasn't some difficult image to generate, but the image that I showed you in the beginning, let me go here, go to my execution. Okay, yeah, this one. So this is the image that I generated, and you see that here it took 42,093 tokens. So let's calculate this one. So we need to divide $40 divided by 1 million. It will be this number, and if we multiply this to 4293, yeah, you see that it will show 17 cents. Yeah, this image cost me 17 cents. Usually it stays somewhere under 20 cents. Yeah, and for that picture, I don't know why it costed so less, but you can see that it was very cheap. using that, generating that picture, but usually it is around 17 cents. And I know some of you might be paying GPT Plus, which is $20 a month. And I know besides generating images, you can also chat to ChatGPT, but let's calculate this. Let's only say that you are paying $20 only for image generation inside the app. So if you are paying $20 a month, let's divide it by 17 cents for each picture. It means that if you use only the API and top up your balance with $20 inside OpenAI platform dashboard, you can, with $20, you can generate 117 high quality image. So here, if you come to platform.openai.com and you go to settings, you see that in the billing, I have a $5 balance that every time I'm generating a picture with API, it will take this money. So right now I have $5.22. The next picture I generate, it will take 17 cents from this. So it means that if you put $20 here, you can generate around 120, 117 images. That's it for this video, guys. And if you want to get your hands on this workflow that I made here, you can always check out my WAP community. The link to it is down in the description. Here we have a community with the like-minded people who are constantly becoming a master at AI automations using n8n and other no-code platforms. And every day they are making super powerful automations. Here we have a paid community and a free community, and you will see what you will get inside each of them. And I'm gonna put this template inside our community, so go there and join. And once you are inside the community, you can download this template, come to your n8n and click on 3 dots and import the file, and you will have this same template here, but you need to connect your accounts and change your credentials. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it and found value, and if you did, just give it a like. It will help me to show this video to more people like you. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll be posting more videos teaching you how to make AI agents, AI automations, and so many other things. I wish you a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.